lesson is a little bit harder, and actually all the way up to my 7th grade and 8th grade, people still struggle with this one. Okay?
What?
Not that it's hard, but a lot of people just have trouble with this. Okay? So we're gonna work with division. Okay?
Yes.
Now, when I say quotient, what do I mean?
Quotation.
Quotations are this. We use that in reading and writing. Yes. Quotient is the answer in a division problem. You're exactly right. Good job. Okay. Now, let's say I have 365 divided by 6. Okay? Does everybody remember that we did dad, mom, sister, brother? Mm-hmm. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down?
Yes.
Yep. Okay. So my very first step is to divide. 6 will go into 3, yes or no?
No.
No. 6 times 1 is 6, so there's no way. So now we have to try 36. 6 will go into 36? 6 times. Okay, I divided. 6 times 6, multiplying, is 36. Then I'm going to subtract. 36, take away 36, I will get?
0.
We've
already done this.
Bring down, I know that. Bring down is 5. And this is the part that people find hard. 6 times what, or divides into 5 how many times?
0. No.
0. You have, do you see how this number right here ends right here? You have to have something that ends.
Yeah, I had trouble with
Okay? So what would I do?
Hard.
6 times what equals 5?
0.
0. So you will put a 0 right there.
That's what I always do.
I know.
Really
Some people struggle with this, even in 7th grade. Okay? So then, listen, so then I will multiply. 0 times 6 is...
6.
0 times 6 is 0. Okay? Then I'm going to subtract. Then I'm going to bring down. There's nothing else to bring down. That means I'm done. Okay? So what do I do?
Or 5.
That's your remainder. Remainder 5. Okay, so does everybody see
Yes.
how we did that? You continue to finish it out. A lot of people just put 6 remainder 5. They don't know what to do with this 0 right here, and 6 won't go into 5, and they get all freaked out.
I did when
Yes.
lesson practice, because I guess I did it wrong.
You're doing your lesson practice.
No, I'm not. In a long division problem, I accidentally
Right.
did the. Wait,
All right,
done?
y'all do one on your paper.
Okay.
Ready? 635 divided by 6. Try that one on your own.
6.
Yes, you're doing great. Sarah Kate? Yes, you're doing great, Levi.
But that doesn't
I
have
rhymed. Yes, you're doing great, Sarah Kate.
Doesn't have one.
Yes, you're doing great. How are you doing over here?
I messed up.
Yes, you're doing great.
Oh my goodness, I messed up. I have it.
Yes.
Wait, it's easy.
Yep, and then
It's okay.
what's left? No. No, remember once you brought down your last one,
Oh.
you're done because we brought it down and then we worked it, and that's what's left over. There's nothing else to bring down, right?
Okay.
That means you're done. So what do you have? Yes. Yes, great job. I'm gonna let him try to finish for a minute.
You're doing your lesson practice.
It's okay. You can while we're waiting on him.
Okay. I'm totally with that.
Okay.
Excuse me, I have one question.
Yes, Donna.
If it doesn't go into the first number, can you see if it goes into the next?
Yes, and that's what you're supposed to do. Yep.
I don't get it.
Okay, so everybody look at this up here with me, okay? My first step is to divide. 6, will it go into 6?
Yes, one.
How many times? One time.
Can I go one?
Okay? Nope. I want Garrett to help me especially. Okay? So then I'm going to multiply. 1 times 6 is
6.
6. So I'm going to bring that down. Okay? Now I'm going to subtract. 6 take away 6 is 0. Then I'm going to bring down the next number. Okay? And this is where it kind of gets confusing. Okay? But you have to ask yourself, 6 times what equals 3?
Nothing.
0. 6 times 1 is 6. So we can't do it. So 6 times 0 equals 3. So now I divide it again. 0 times 6 is 0. Okay? Now I'm going to subtract. 3 take away none. I still have 3. Now I'm going to bring down. Okay? Now, this is my new number that I'm still working with, okay? 6 times what will go into 35? Closest number is 5. Now I'm going to multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. Now I'm going to subtract, and I would get 5. And then I'm going to bring down. There's nothing else to bring down. That means I'm done. So then I would put remainder 5.
That's a long thing.
So the biggest thing is when you get to 6 times what equals 3, that's the hardest thing. Nothing does, so you have to put 0. 6 times 0 is 0. So that's the closest that we can get without coming over. Got it? Okay? Now the other one a while ago when I was doing 6 goes into 365, if it helps you, when you look at this first number, 6 times what equals 3, you can't think of one, you can even put a 0 in the beginning, if that helps you. And then go 6 times 0 is 0, and then bring down the 6, and then go 6 will go into 36 6 times. Okay? That's okay if you want to do that. Okay? If that doesn't make sense to you, don't worry about it. I'm just trying to help you understand. So if you get to a place where 6 won't go into that, 0 is the only answer. Got it? Okay?
This is right, or is it just supposed to be 4?
6 times 4 is 24. 0, 0, 2, 6 times.
Or is it just
40. Which number is that?
That
B?
is B on the list.
Let's do it together. Somebody read it for me.
242 divided by 6.
Okay, 242 divided by 6. All right, let's do divide. 6 will go into 24 how many times?
4.
4. 6 times 4 is 24. Then I'm going to subtract and get 0. Then I'm going to bring down my 2. Garrett, 6 times what equals 2?
0.
Yes. So look at here. Remember how I told you you have to have something that ends. So we have to have 0. Okay? Now we're going to, 0 times 6 is 0. Now we're going to subtract. And then we're going to bring down. Once I cannot bring anything else down, I know I'm done. I can't bring anything else down, so it's remainder 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the lesson if you want to go in and start doing lesson math.
Woo!
Who's not packing up?
Yes.
That was the shortest lessons.